Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this emergency video, because right now if you monitor the price movement of Bitcoin looks like it is breaking down. But the question here is, how low are we going to go? Because if we look at this price action in a weekly time frame using this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, Bitcoin is flashing this one scenario which indicated that in the past Bitcoin price action, whenever we were unable to find a proper support above this green line, which was the 38.20 Fibonacci level from this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, we always got gravitated towards the next Fibonacci line, which is this orange line, 23.61 Fibonacci level. And in our case right now, guys, this is sitting somewhere around 39,900 to 40,000 price range, because in the past Bitcoin price action, you can see we lost the support from this green line, which is 38.20 Fibonacci level. We got gravitated towards the 23.61 Fibonacci level. This similar scenario unfolded again and again when the price of Bitcoin was not able to find a proper support above this 38.20 Fibonacci level. You can see this scenario has unfolded again and again. So that is the reason also I talked about this in one of my videos. If the support is going to get broken around 45, 46, maybe this is where we could be heading here in upcoming days or weeks for Bitcoin. And in that case, as I've already said you, 39,900 to 40,000 could be on the line for Bitcoin. I am not trying to create any sort of a fear, guys. I'm showing you exactly what happened in the past Bitcoin price action and also could be playing out in our case. And not just only this, guys, not just only this. In today's video, not just only this one here, guys, not just only this one here. If you are aware, or if you have watched my video from today, I made it very, very clear. If the price of Bitcoin is going to lose the support around this 45 to 46,000 range, then we have to be very, very careful, because that will indicate the price of Bitcoin is really weakening. And in that case, we could be getting gravitated towards the lower line area of this right angle broadening wedge. And in that case, 42 to 43,000 could be on the line here in the immediate short term for Bitcoin. And now, since the price is breaking here to the downside, maybe we could see some sort of a relief rally. We have to be careful, because the price could again see this retracement towards the lower line area of this right angle broadening wedge. And not just only this one here, not just only this one here. Also, in one of my video, I showed you with this one example. Let me show you one more time here. If you simply look at this price action of Bitcoin, whenever the price of Bitcoin was not able to find a proper support at this 20 exponential moving average, after breaking out of it, we always saw a bigger price pullback. Because you can see when the price of Bitcoin broke out of this 20 exponential moving average, it failed to find a proper support above it. We always saw price pullback, which was lower than the previous one. Again, similar scenario. We broke out of this 20 exponential moving average, but was unable to find a proper support. And after that, you can see we got this retracement, which was also lower than the previous low. All right, you can see here. Only after forming this double bottom, we were able to see this actual movement here to the upside. Again, broke out of it, was not able to find a proper support above it, price retracement lower than the previous low. And in our case, if you look at this price action, you can see pretty similar scenario. Price of Bitcoin was above 20 exponential, but was unable to find a proper support. And now we are also seeing this price retracement. And if this is going to play out just like here from past Bitcoin price action, then you can see we are already below the previous low. Even if we are going to see some sort of a relief rally type of scenario playing out right now after this price pullback, the same line which previously acted as a support is going to act as a resistance around 45 to 46,000 range. Let me show you why. So again, in a simple way, what we can do, we can simply add this parallel channel, because according to this parallel channel, we were aware the price of Bitcoin was finding a very, very strong support around this lower line area, right? But in our case, you can see the price of Bitcoin has already broken out of this support line. And even if we are going to see any sort of a relief rally, the same line which previously acted as a support could be acting as a strong line of resistance. And then we could see this pullback again towards this 42 to 43,000 price range, because this is exactly where the lower line support from this right angle broadening wedge is lying, and also from bump and run reversal pattern. Let me show you that one more time here. So if you are aware, we have talked about this bump and run, but this bump and run looks like it could be playing out as a failure, because in a failure bump and run reversal, the price is not going to find a proper support above this falling trend line. You can see falling trend line, rejection again and again. We broke out of it, but we were not able to find proper support. But in our case, we are still around this falling trend line. But also in this case, in a immediate short term, if this pullback is going to continue, then you can see falling trend line support is also lying somewhere around 42 to 43,000 range. So that's why in immediate short term, this is where we could be hitting. But if we do see a relief rally again towards 46,000 range, then this 46,000 is going to be another important line of resistance, you can see. And not just only this one here, guys, not just only this one here. If we also monitor this price movement here in a very simple way, today I showed you with this descending triangle, but this here was a failed descending triangle where we broke the support here to the downside. Now, let me switch this into smaller time frame just to show you. In the past Bitcoin price action, a similar scenario led to a really nice movement here to the upside, but this time it is actually a failed descending triangle. You can see the upper line here did not let the price break out of it. Lower line support has also been broken. So now if this trend is going to continue here to the downside, according to this descending triangle, our price is measured from this top till the bottom area, right? And in that case, you can see we could be getting gravitated towards this 43,000 price range. So that is the reason why I'm actually saying you, even if we are going to see any sort of a relief rally, right, again around this 46,000, we have to be careful because this could be again rejecting the price and we could see potential downward price movement around this 42 to 43,000 range before price chooses an actual trend direction. So let's see how the price of Bitcoin is going to do here in the immediate short term and also in the upcoming days. So these are some of the important scenarios I wanted to share with you into this quick video. If you enjoyed this work, then please hit the like button, and also for those individuals right now watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.